It's Pekka from Logbullet, and welcome to spend Sunday with me. I'm at the moment driving toward our forest. My target for this day is just to pick up Megamax back to my workshop. So I had a good summer with Megamax. We did collect wood from our forest, doing first thinning with chainsaws and then forwarding those next to the road with Megamax. Now we are leaving September, and at the moment I have to be in my workshop assembling and welding and assembling Logbullets, and my kids has to be in the school and my wife has to be at work, so we don't have time at the moment to be in the forest. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm driving to my forest, or our forest, pick up Megamax, take her to my workshop, then I will clean her, check that everything is okay, and then she will leave. I will deliver her after a few weeks abroad from Finland, so I was happy to sell her to customer. That customer, thanks for purchasing, and so the customer did contact me like long time ago and asking that do I want to sell a Megamax Prototype, and I was like yeah, it's a prototype, but then we did okay, customer told that they are understanding it's a prototype and they want to anyway get it. So we did find out good price for the machine and she will leave. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm driving this Sunday with my truck to collect the machine to my workshop. Yeah, it's my life. I prefer to work during the weekdays. I would be happier to be Sundays with my family, but I did calculate that I don't really have, during next week, I don't have time to collect the machine, and I want to make sure that everything, that when the transportation comes to my yard, machine is ready to go. So let's drive to my forest, load Megamax app, and then return back to my workshop. Now it's good feeling. Megamax is over my truck. No worries with this. So I have over here, I have loading ramps, and it's a little slope. So the idea is that when there is slope behind, the loading ramps end is a little higher than in the other way, and also the machine is pushing all the time the loading ramps toward the truck, so I don't get machine falling down. But anyway, it's a huge machine over here. The weight is still okay. It's not overweight, but it's kind of filling up my truck at the moment. The next step, I will have loading straps and mount her over here, and then when I'm driving back I will talk more. Megamax is loaded over there, and then also other thing what has happened over here is that those trees I did make, I did forward with Megamax over here. So the forestry company did already take those away. So that is good thing. Next I will actually go over there to forest and check some mushrooms, because this is my Sunday and I have been just driving over here, so I want to do also something fun. So I will go over there and look if there is some chanterelles or something like that. There is chanterelles over here. I will collect those. Don't look anymore so nice than before, but I will take some of those and then I will go home and eat those. That is my plan for this evening. So I have now a bag of chanterelles. My plan is actually to purchase minced meat and make the hamburger steaks. So just minced meat and then frying pan, and then cream and chanterelles, and enjoy those at the evening or tomorrow in my work. Yeah, but this forest, so we are at the moment in that forest, we are doing the first thinning. I did drive from here with Megamax, and this forest looks great. I'm so happy to walk over here. It looks like the forest I want to have, and we are having that. So okay, now I will start my truck and talk to you more over there. I'm driving at the moment back to my workshop, so what I was just shooting also video. I have in Logbullet's YouTube channel, there is more than 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for everybody. And in Finland I have a forestry related YouTube channel, and there I will have about 10,000. There are almost 10,000 subscribers. So I have way more popular in my native language than in English. And one thing I'm actually I have been trying to find in English good forestry YouTube channels which are about the forestry. I can find several about firewood. Firewood is popular, or hunting, or that kind of stuff, but actually forestry. About that for some forestry companies, maybe arborists or forestry companies or contractors or somebody. If you know that kind of YouTube channels, please leave below to the comments information, so I will go over there to follow those and like, because I would like to learn more about foreign, not for Finland, so foreign forestry, and YouTube would be perfect for me to follow. So if you know somebody, please help me. But yeah, at the moment I will drive back to my workshop and like, let's hope that I will get Megamax down from the lorry in one part. So stay tuned, soon we will know what will happen. We are back in workshop. So she's over here down and my workshop is here. And everything is fine. Actually, I almost made a mistake when I was taking her down, because I did forget that my loading ramps are too short for the Megamax. Perfect for the original Logbullet, but too short for the Megamax. So I need to have pallets under. And I was thinking, because I was in the other end, I didn't use the pallets because of that slope. Yeah, that's why I was using the slope in that end. And so in the first time when I was coming down, I did notice, okay, now we have belly contact, because wheels are more or less free spinning. Then I could have used a differential lock, but I decided to make it a little more safer. So I did just lift her a little with the forklift, place some pallets under, and then I did drive up, and then more pallets under, and then I did drive her down. I did just check under the mashing, everything is okay, because I always do that kind of stuff, I do super slowly. So if I would do that faster, it might even actually have gone, but then something would have been broken. Yeah, so everything is fine. I'm super happy at the moment to have her over here, ready waiting for the delivery. And I hope you did like the video. Please give a thumb up if you did like the video, and please subscribe Logbullet's YouTube channel. So see you in next video. Thanks and bye.